Hello everybody and welcome to the One News. My name is Ime Santoso and she is Salsabila Septadewi. Our story today is about the angiosperm and gymnosperm.
Definition of angiosperm. The angiosperm are those plants whose seed develop within a surrounding layer of plant tissue, called the carpel, with seed attached around the margin.
Detailed information of angiosperm is: angiosperm have a triploid vascular tissue, flat leaves in nomedo shape and hardwood stems. Reproduction of angiosperm can be sexual or unisexual. The gametes are spread by wind and by insects and animal pollinators attracted their flowers. Angiosperm provide virtually all plant-based food, as well as most livestock feed. Definition of gymnosperm is: gymnosperm are a group of plants that share one common characteristic. They bear seed, but their seed do not develop within an ovary.
Studies of their DNA have shown that the gymnosperm consists of four major related groups: conifer, kite, kingo, and genetophytes.
Gymnosperm. Gymnosperm are seed-bearing plants. Gymnos, snake, sperma, seed. The ovules are not exposed by ovary wall and remain exposed. Thus, they occupy intermediate position between Pterodiptes and angiosperm. Gymnosperm are the primitive seed plants. First, most of the genera are entirely extinct and only few are living. 2. Generally, the gymnosperm are Pseroptis. 3. They are perennially woody plants via climbers. 4. The sporoptic plant is evergreen. The tallest living gymnosperm is Sequoia. 5. The roots are generally taproot roots. In some genera, the fungal accession in the form of mycorrhiza pinus, while in Cycas, the roots are called coralloid roots and are associated with N2 fixing cyanobacteria. 6. The stems are unbranched, Cycas, branched, pinus. 7. The leaf may be simple or compound. Cycas is pinnate leaves. The leaves are well adapted to withstand extreme of temperature, humidity, and volume. Conifers, needle-like leaves reduce the surface area. The cuticle and sunken stomata reduce water loss. 8. Gymnosperm are heteroporous. They produce haploid microspores and megaspores. The spores produced with sporangia are arranged spirally along an axis to form complex strobili or cones. The strobili bearing microspilps and microsporangia called male strobili. The microspores develop into male gametophyte, which is reduced called pollen grain. The development of pollen grain takes place within microsporangia. The cones bearing megaspores with ovules are called female strobili. The ovules born on megasporopeles may be clustered to form female cones. Megaspore mother called dividus may totally to form 4 megaspores. 1. The megaspore enclosed within the megasporangium develop into female gametophyte that bears 2 or more archegonia or female sex organ. The female gametophyte is also retained within megasporangium. The gametophyte remain within the sporangia retained on the sporoptis. That pollen grain is released from the microsporoptis. They are carried by air currents and come in contact with the opening of the ovules born in megasporoptis. The pollen tube carrying the male gametes grow towards Artegonia in the ovules and discharge their contents near the mouth of Artegonia. After fertilization, zygote develops into an embryo and ovules into seeds. Seeds are exposed.
The similarity of angiosperm and gymnosperm is:
first, presence of well-organized plant body divided into roots, stem, and leaves. 2. Presence of cambium in both gymnosperm and dicotyledons. 3. Presence of flower in both the group. 4. Presence of pollen tube for carrying. And 5. Permanent rentation of megaspore.
6. Presence of integument around the ovule. 7. During the embryo development, the suspensor formation is the constant feature. 8. Formation of seed. 9. Close similarity in the general life history.
The seeds of
members
angiosperm
of
develop in the ovaries of flowers and are surrounded by a protective fruit. The difference between angiosperm and gymnosperm is:
while gymnosperm seeds are usually formed in unisexual cones, known as strobili, and the plants lack fruit and flower.
Angiosperm and gymnosperm are the two major groups of vascular seed plants. Angiosperm, which are flowering plants, are the largest and most diverse group within the kingdom Plantae, with around 300,000 species. Gymnosperm are a smaller, more ancient group, and it consists of plants that produce naked seeds. There are more than 1,000 species of gymnosperm still found on Earth. The difference between angiosperm and gymnosperm is
how their seeds are developed. The seeds of angiosperm develop in the ovaries of the flower and are surrounded by a protective fruit. Flowers can be unisexual or bisexual, have both male and female parts.
Gymnosperm seeds are usually formed in unisexual cones, known as strobili, and the plants lack fruits and flowers, while angiosperm has an enormous variety of body types and forms, ranging from annual herbs to climbing vines to massive trees. Gymnosperm are largely wood, trees, and fruit.
Action.
Definition of gymnosperm is salah satu. Gymnosperm consists of four major ya.
Tanggal garis story lagi.
Sak. Oke, kamu mana?
Action. Cara ngomong kapan, Sal?
Kamera rolling action. Suen. Putih. Ayo pesan kita putar terus, kita rekam terus sendal. Tapi itu kita akan tetap. Orang kenjo, ayo.
Thanks for watching, and Movie Math uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.